Mr. Q's Science for a learning experience. Hi friends, welcome to this colorful video of Mr. Q's Science. So in this video, I will show you how to mix colors. But I'm also going to do something amazing with colorful water. These colors are the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. Do you know which color we get when we mix red with blue? No? So let's find out. Look friends, I mixed already red plus blue. It makes this color. Look, it's a beautiful color, purple. So let's see which kind of color we get if we mix blue and yellow. Wow, I can see it already, guys. It's like planets. Yellow, the sun. Green, the grass. Blue is the sky. That's a bit like my Earth where I live. So friends, blue and yellow make green. So let's test it on a white paper. So now let's mix red and yellow. So let's see what happens. So my friends, can you see it? It makes orange. Now I'm going to test it on a white paper. So my friends, do you still know what these three colors are called? These three colors are called primary colors. And when we mix the primary colors, we get these secondary colors. So friends, this was my test of mixing colors with paint. Let's take a quick look at some paintings. So friends, when we mix colors, we can make beautiful paintings, just like that one over there. And look at this. And now I will show you what will happen with colorful water. And for that, I have to fill these 3 glasses with water. And now I'm going to add food color in each glass. Red food color, yellow food color, blue food color, and stir all 3. See my friends, now I have again the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. So I'm gonna put another glass between the red one and the yellow one, and another glass between the yellow one and the blue one. And now it's time to fold 4 paper towels. So let's put the paper towels in the glasses. So friends, now we have to leave it for the whole night and check it out tomorrow. I'm so excited. Good morning, friends. Did you have a good night? I hope you dreamed about these colorful waters. So let's see what happened with the cups. Red and yellow became orange. and blue and yellow became green. A bit really mintish. So friends, remember the rainbow colors? Worky bit. These are the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. But we don't have indigo and violet. So friends, remember what you've learned in this video from the primary colors red, yellow and blue. When we mix red and yellow, we get orange. This first secondary color. When we mix blue and yellow, we get the other secondary color, that is green. So red and blue mix together purple. So don't forget about that. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay happy and keep smiling. This was Mr. Q saying bye to you. Bye! Mr. Q's science videos are for educational purposes.